Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today we will discuss about how to create database in XAMPP. Okay, so let's get start. First of all, you need to download XAMPP and set up your environment. And there is a one create database. Okay, create database, and you need to write name of the database. So whatever you want to keep your name your database, you can take. So I would like to semicolon keep. Okay, and now you can go here on go button and you need to click. Okay, so here is some error, create db org. Okay, again come to this point. Okay, so why this is giving error? Because already org database is created. Okay, so you need to change the name like college. Okay, so here you can write college. See, college. Okay, so again you need to go and click on go button. So here you can see MySQL return and empty results. Okay, and your database is already created. Again come to SQL. Okay, so if you see here your database is created, but inside database there is no any table. If you want to create table, just select college and come to SQL and write down your query. Okay, I hope you all are understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.